I'm about to toss these new LED lights, these new LED leaf joints, these new LED lights on the bike, you know, on the booster. I went and got these RGB, these Amazon Nineo 8-piece lights. It came in this little extension cords for this little adapter right here, and it's about, see some more cords. Like you said, you got the 8 pieces. 8 pieces up in there. Yep. Alright, let's go ahead and toss some more. Light this bike up.
This is Kingdom.
Any alcohol or any wipes or anything. I don't have any alcohol, any rubbing alcohol. I have 4 kids, so we run through that. But I got some soap in the rag, and what I'll do is I'll throw some soap on this here to clean up those, so you can clean up that dirt, those greasy spots. So I do it on. So what I do is I wet one side of the rag and kept the other side dry. So I'll go through and I'll wipe all the spots that I want to put my pods with the soap and rag, and then I'll go back over and dry it off with the dry side. You gotta have that clean so I don't have to worry about any dirt and oil on all the spots I want to put my pods. Alright, I think I got it all wiped. I think I got it all wiped. So now, I can get ready to place my pods where they need to go. We're gonna go ahead and get these pods installed. Let's get everything laid out. My extensions, cords, my module again. Yeah, let's go ahead and put these pods in. make sure when you get ready to install them though, you wanna obviously be strategic about it, because probably one of these pieces is like no cord on the other end. I'm gonna make sure that's like an end unit or a piece that's probably connecting, since it's got the connector piece connecting to the module. But yeah, let's get them installed. So I actually plan to put two of these bad boys right up in here, one on this side and one on that side. So let me go ahead and needed to make sure I had the end space in the correct way. So I put that cord in there. Alright. All the little pods installed, little light pods installed. Put one right there, another one over on this side down here. And I got one way down there on the bottom. Then I got one sitting down in here, banked up against this side right here. And you come through under the front wheel. I got one on that side, one at the top, and then one, geez, I can barely see it. Oh, there it is, back there. That side. Let it radiator, then you swing around to the other side. I got the last one sitting right in here. So now I'm about to go ahead and start hooking the wires up. Then we'll try to get this mug lit up. Get it installed. Just finished up the wiring. I put my little adapter with the remote wire coming out right here, and the piece, the adapter is, the cord for it is connected to the last light, and it's ran and it's tucked under, right up under here, and then connected to the red wire right there, bam. Just kind of splice it, well not splice it, but extended took the sleeve off and put it up under the screw there. Did the same thing with this one, bam, and that's it. And so, I mean, quick little, it's daylight, but at least you'll be able to see. Just take the remote, pick a button, any button, and nothing happened. Joking. And nothing happened again. Ah, I know why. Because I gotta hit the D to turn the lights on. Boom! So you see lights in there. Got them exchanging colors right now. One in there. See the one down below down there. One up top there. One up top there. Bring it back over. One right in here. And then of course, the beauties down in here. One over there, and one up top. That's it. I'll show it to you at night. All right, so here it is, the finished product. Had to wait till it get a little bit dark outside for y'all to see what it looked like. I got the lights, obviously, on the strobe, going through the different colors. That's what it'll look like from the side, looking at it in the mirror. Pretty dope. I'm excited about it. Just going through the different colors. Because it got this, obviously, I can't see it, the bob. You can click through the different colors. Probably gonna rock with the green for a little bit, because that green is dope.